Absolutely beautiful. I am so impressed with the work.
Doug Davis, amazing F-350 Platinum long bed, 7.3 liter Covert Edition is going on right now. Let's go. You can see that I'm right here at the dealership still, but we're in the meeting place of the local Boy Scout troop, Troop 173. And not only is Doug a firefighter and has his own custom firefighter's truck, he's also heavily involved with the Boy Scouts of America, which I'm an Eagle Scout as well. So anytime I've gone through an interview process back in the day trying to get a job and acquire a position, when I mention I'm an Eagle Scout, my education kind of gets put to the side, and we always seem to talk about my experience as a Boy Scout. Not saying that education is not important, but the skills I learned in scouting are irreplaceable and really helped build me up as the man I am today. Core foundation of the Scout Law, which I take to heart, states that a Scout is trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, and reverent. You see it right here on the picnic tables, and it's a huge part of setting the standard for what a Scout is all about. Being a young man as a Scout, getting outdoors and doing things that build you up and sharpen your skill set on every token is something that is invaluable. And the Scout Oath states, on my honor, I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country, to obey the Scout Law, to help other people at all times, to keep myself physically strong, mentally awake, and morally straight. And like the Pledge of Allegiance and the Little League Pledge, those are things that you never forget, and hopefully those words truly resonate and hit home and you will obey by that. Now, the amazing story continues as Doug is on his way right now from the airport to see his amazing truck. Let's review. And I will never take for granted the fact that people trust in us and want to come down and connect with your boy and make their dreams come true with a custom truck like no other. F-350 Platinum long bed, 7.3 liter Godzilla V8 bad boy, Covert Edition. You can tell the custom graphics and applique, taillights and everything sets the stage for a special rendition. The long bed and 7.3 displacement make it even more rare and unique. And out back you can tell the star white and agate black applique is the best in the business. That is the most detailed and good looking rear I've ever seen. Rigid SRQs in the back to go along with it. We've got premium accent lighting all the way throughout, which I'll show you in a few. Case Edwards power bed cover, custom third brake light, and electronics to keep you safe and legit. Carly trophy hitch with full-size spare in the back gives you confidence. We got a 37 on 37s ready to roll. Custom painted bushwhacker fender flares with assimilated bolts. I love that detail. It's still not too big and bulky, but gives us plenty of tire coverage on these 37, 12.5, 18 Nitto Ridge Grappler tires on fuel blitzes. I love the Blitz. It's a timeless wheel option. Got long travel airbags in the back with the full Diva progressive leaf pack. You can tell we got the Carly backcountry system by that specifically tuned shock there. And the +1 on the offset keeps our mild to wild scale below the mid-level range because of that fender flare coverage. Painted the side bed step surround only to keep that functional step there nice and clean. Door handles went to star white. Kept the chrome top and bottom to tie in with the other chrome. As you'll see in a moment, those mirrors are perfection star white all the way around. Agate black cap, light smoke on the side, more accent lighting in the side heat extractor, which you'll see, but a nice combo there of star white and agate black money set up. 3.5-inch Carly backcountry lifted, rear radius arm, which I love, limit straps, Carly torsion sway bar was a must, end links, front diff guard, and high mount and low mount steering stabilizer. A money shot right here. You can see those rain guards on the windows for added convenience. The front end complete agate black, star white, a combo on the front Ford emblem, strobe lights to go along with it, very discreet. They almost kind of flow and blend in with our U-shaped bars in between the horizontal grille portions. Headlights completely blacked out with star white on the high beam and low beam. I love that detail there to showcase a little bit of more thoughtfulness. BMC lights, the dual pod kit there is a game changer for added light put. Just that single light alone puts out 2 times more light than the stock Ford OE fog light. You know that D-series light lights the night up. Along with a trimmer front valence, I love the red tag, worn OE winch to go along with it. Added confidence, 30-inch light bar, the rigid SR LED bad boy throws it out there. Tough skin Super Duty inlay is important to me on white vehicles for more contrast and a more detailed look overall. Agate black and light smoke on the clearance lights. Look at this truck. F-350 Platinum long bed, 7.3 Godzilla gasoline powered V8 Covert Edition, a one-of-one diamond. Now let's check out the inside. On the 23 and newer Super Duty Platinum interiors, so much more elegant than its predecessor. Looks so much like the F-150 current 14th gen But look right here. I love the two-tone on the inside of this Platinum. Black is great, but also most prevalent. So it's great to see this contrast here on a Platinum interior that has some nice Alcantara suede in just the right places with all the right detail. And you can hear the ThinkWare system talking to me, telling me what's going on, whether it's recording while parked or while driving. This bad boy right here gives you great confidence in knowing that everything is recorded and documented. Take note of no sunroof. I love that there's not a sunroof, primarily for this reason right here. Starlight headliner. Check this out. Also with the interior LED combo dash kit. Look at that. Color changing. Got it set on red right now for an accent that's unique in the floors to go along with it. But look right here. We got the Starlight headliner without the sunroof. That is a separator. Looks amazing. You know, I tip my hat to the keeper of the stars. Look how great this looks without a sunroof. We need to order more vehicles without a sunroof and just throw the stars in it. And of course, with the NBRP exhaust on the Power Stroke, you really don't get much added sound, but the 7.3, you definitely get that V8 growl. Strobe functionality up on top with the third brake light, even included in the light bar in between the bumper and tailgate. Rigid SRQs looking great, putting out so much light, which is important because when you smoke the tail lights, your reverse is definitely reduced as far as light output, so these give you more than enough. A great added detail is the amber light in the backlight of the side heat extractor. I love that. With the limitless strobe system, you have every light is a strobe function, and it looks incredible for Doug's firefighter needs. A great look at the proportion of a long bed on 37s. If you had this truck in the stock form, it just would not look good to me at all. 3.5-inch lifted on 37s is a great balance, especially with all these accessories, like our NBRP DPF back exhaust with black tip, and you know we're representing for the greatest country in the world. Go America. One nation under God. Now let's go meet Doug and reveal his dream truck to him. All right, last minute tweaks going on here. Great customer right here, checking out his truck. Almost complete, gonna take it home tomorrow. I guess just your thoughts after seeing it all cleaned up, nice and clean. What are your thoughts of it?
Absolutely beautiful. I am so impressed with the work. This came out unbelievably beautiful. Very, very, exactly what I wanted. My dream truck, it's my retirement truck. Wonderful, wonderful job. Very happy.
That's great.
Oh, yeah.
Now, he and I connected just because of what I've already talked about in the video of our natural interest and commonalities, but look at that truck leaving. Looks incredible. Share a little bit about yourself to all the viewers out there, kind of how you found us, where you're from, what some of your interests are.
Sure. Saw you guys online, saw your videos. I was quite impressed with how you guys are organized and the quality of work that you do. But I'm a New Yorker, born and raised Long Island, avid scouter, very active in the scouting community, and that's where we hit it off. Both Eagle Scouts, Order of the Arrow, Philmont, you know, way to go, you know, high adventure, and shooting. So avid outdoorsman and gym rat just like you. So all good, and looking forward to getting into the side of this truck.
A patriot right here at that, just a great guy, and I've told you that we're so lucky that the majority of our customers are just great human beings and just a well-rounded gentleman that we have here. And I thought a lot about you and your build since we connected, told my family about it, and just what y'all don't realize is you better our lives. Obviously, we're better in your life with the trucks and improvements, but the collaboration, the network, and just the relationships that we've formed from just doing this right here, it means a lot.
Yes, oh, it's home run. I'm very impressed, and I'm looking forward to working with you guys again.
Can't say enough how much I personally appreciate what you do for scouting, because just like my father, still heavily involved in scouting, building up young men, young boys to be men. That's very important in this day and age, and always.
Scouting program is wonderful. It's changed over the years, and it's nothing but a wonderful place for fine young folks, boys and girls now. Yes.
We appreciate y'all so much. Thanks for watching. Let's wrap this up. What a day, what a truck, what a customer, what a memory. We'll never forget it. People that pour into the youth like Doug does with the Scout is so undervalued and underappreciated, giving back generation after generation. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. We got it going on. Akins Ford, Wild Willies across the entire country. We're your trusted source, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.